Ever wanted to sound like Elon Musk, dub your videos in multiple languages, or even clone your own voice in seconds? I've got just the solution you need. Hi, I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video, we are diving into FishAudio, a mind-blowing platform that brings AI-generated voices to life. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Okay, let's see what it can do. FishAudio review. FishAudio is a next-gen platform for voice generation, cloning, and real-time multilingual speech translation. It's built for creators who need voiceovers, dubbing, podcasts, or even memes, developers working with voice agents or APIs, and small to medium businesses like editors and marketing teams looking for smart audio tools. There are a few cool ways to work with voices here. You can clone your own voice. Just record a sample and let the platform work its magic. Or turn plain text into speech using voices that sound like famous personalities. Think Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Taylor Swift, Raiden Shogun, and more. Prefer something simple? Pick a friendly female voice or an energetic male. Totally up to you. There's also a speech-to-text feature, where you can upload your audio and get it cloned right here on the spot. Now let's check out one of the coolest updates, Fish Speech V 1.6 Control Beta. This new feature gives you detailed control over how the voice sounds. When you write your prompt, you can now use special tags like comma, period, question mark, and even to shape the tone and rhythm of the speech. Super powerful stuff. Let's take this motivational text as an example. We've added pauses and breaths to give it a natural feel. We'll use the latest voice model. In premium settings, we'll turn on high-quality mode and tweak the speed and volume to our liking. For this one, I'll slow it down a bit. Let's generate it.
Sometimes the only thing standing between you and your dream is your own doubt. So take a deep breath, straighten your back, and remind yourself, you've got this. You were born to do something great.
Here's what we got. It's not robotic, evenly paced, and sounds pretty good overall. You can really hear the breaks and breaths, it just flows. And yep, you can download it and use it however you like. That was the standard preset. Now let's kick it up a notch. I recorded my own voice earlier, and now I want to hear this same script, but in my own voice. We'll leave the speed at 1, keep the volume unchanged, and style the speech like a popular science narration, complete with breaks, laughs, and breaths. Imagine the universe as a loaf of raisin bread. As it bakes, the raisins move farther apart. That's cosmic expansion in a nutshell. So next time you eat toast, think about galaxies. Interesting. That's pretty similar to my voice. Now let's have some fun. We'll switch to Elon Musk's voice and turn this little joke into something hilarious, Musk style.
Basically, AI is just like a toddler with access to all the internet, and somehow we think it's a good idea to give it a job.
And there you go. That's Elon Musk with the delivery. Now let's do something completely different. Let's use Donald Trump's voice for a very serious political style speech about cats. Why not? I'll pick his voice and generate the audio.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've met many cats in my life. Some good, some fake, but I can tell you this. Garfield, incredible cat, absolutely tremendous. Way better than Sleepy Tom.
And just like that, you've got text-to-speech and voice cloning in action. Want to build a new voice? Just upload some audio clips, give your voice a name, add a description and some tags. You can choose if you want your voice to be public, unlisted, or private. In your voice library, you'll see all your custom voices. You can have multiple and switch between them anytime. There's even API access. If you want to integrate this into your apps or tools, just check out the docs on their site. Super straightforward. Fisaudio really is a powerful tool. You can play around with different voices, explore what others have made, and bring your ideas to life. I definitely recommend giving it a try. Final thoughts. And there you have it, that's Fisaudio in action. Whether you're a content creator looking to add high-quality voiceovers, a developer building something smart with audio, or just someone who wants to experiment with celebrity voices for fun, this tool has so much to offer. From voice cloning and real-time TTS to full control over delivery using tags, Fisaudio gives you creative freedom like never before. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.